What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have a dash cam by Rovi that we sell at 1aauto.com. This dash cam has two cameras. There's one on the front for exterior and there's one on the back for the interior of the vehicle. And this one swivels back and forth, which is kind of nice. Comes with the mount, comes with the charger and the cable to hook to your PC. It has impact detection. The angle is 140 degrees and it is 1080p HD. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.